How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do a blackhead removal, easy tutorial at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So how to get rid of blackheads, you guys? The reason why you guys have blackheads is because your pores are blocked. So what we need to do is we need to unblock those pores. How do we do that? We do that with what's called exfoliation. We're going to do what's called a natural sugar scrub. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. You mix it in a glass. You get the sugary watery paste. You scrub it on the blackheads. It works amazing. You do it for about 60 seconds and wash your face off with water. That is all you have to do. Do this once in the morning, once before going to bed. Within 2 to 3 days, the blackheads will be completely gone. This is the #1 way, you guys. It works amazing to get rid of blackheads. It's the #1 way, you guys, in my opinion. It's the cheapest way too. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.